Hey guys!
So we are finally here at IFLY where we're gonna indoor skydive. And yeah, can't wait for it. This is the building right behind us. And yeah, this is the one in Houston in Memorial. And yeah, we're gonna be going there.
Our reservation is actually at 7:30. They're currently doing the 7 o'clock flight currently. And they're learning about different ways how to skydive, different techniques and different skills you need to know.
Yeah. And yeah, we're gonna be heading on in, and yeah, we'll post you up. So guys, we just checked in into these locks up right here, and yeah, we're gonna go fly soon. Yeah.
These cool bracelets. We just signed up. We got these tickets also. We got 2 flights each.
Yeah, and we're gonna do the high one and the low one, and yeah, a bunch of turns and stuff, and we're gonna be heading out up there to meet our instructor.
We're gonna get our outfits to go flying in the flying pool.
Yeah, can't wait to go.
time here at IFLY-Houston.
Yeah, we really enjoyed it, and yeah, we hope you all actually check this place out here in Houston or wherever your nearest IFLY is. And yeah, hope y'all enjoy. See y'all later.